In this video, we'll briefly show the individualized UI themes functionality that's available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise, starting with version 3.2. So the themes version, the themes feature that's available in Nerdio Manager can be accessed from the settings themes page. And from here, you can select a pre-configured theme or select a custom theme that you can customize yourself. For example, there are several light themes, several dark themes, and all of these can be selected and applied to the system. Prior to version 3.2, this was a global setting, and then starting with version 3.2 and newer, this is now a per user setting, which means any users, any themes that existed before upgrading to version 3.2 will stay exactly as is. However, any changes made to the theme setting at a user level will only appear for the user making the changes so that each user of Nerdio Manager can maintain their own individualized theme setting. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.